that she owns is on a Gucci bag. The only course that she rocks is my cool. Lord, she gon' need some help. Time to open up the Bible. Ain't no need to be afraid now, honey. I'm gon' show you how we do out in the country. I'm gon' bring you back to life. Take you on a Sunday drive in your white Rover. Get some mud all over them tires. Sipping moonshine, reminiscing about them good old days, baby. This is how we do it in the country. In the country. You see, 4x4, it ain't 16, it's just a way of life. 4 a.m. freezing your butt off in a duck blind, ripping lip out on the lake that's speaking my language. I know aliens exist, but this is how we out here living in the country. Gonna bring you back to life, take you on a Sunday drive in your...
Well, I decided to walk back to Blackstone, see if the river's down, see if I can get to where I want to go. If I can, there'll be a video on it. I'll soon find out in about 10 minutes. But as you can see, the river's come down. We should be able to get to Blackstone Rock, hopefully. Get all the parts get past, then we'll be there. River's still up, but more accessible to where we want to go.
You're living right, yeah, just move, 'cause this is how we do it in the country. Gonna bring you back to life, take you on a Sunday drive in your white Rover. Get some mud all over them tires. Sipping moonshine, reminiscing about them good old days, baby. This is how we do it in the country. In the country.
See the treetops blowing in the wind in the morning as it becomes light. Still dark and I am looking for a friend to free me of hindsight. Winter wind gives me a thrill, howling through the camellias. Winter wind gives me a thrill, howling over the hill. Dusting of snow on the sidewalk, a song from the bells in the square. I take a stroll down to the center of town and I dance as the snowflakes dust my hair. Winter wind gives me a thrill, howling through the camellias. Winter wind gives me a thrill, howling over the hill. Dark days of winter, camellias in bloom.
Well, I walked just under 4 miles. I went to the rifle range, just in Bewdley. I just had the Bewdley bypass. I didn't see anything, so I'm coming down to Blackstone. I'm on Blackstone Rock now, as you can see. The river's over there, it's not in flood, so I should be able to walk down it and hopefully see some kingfishers. That's what I've got the camera for, to get some nice kingfishers. I'll have a cup of tea first.
Falling out, let's take a rest. Go
I hope you enjoyed the film so far.
pair of loving arms till spring blows in from nowhere.
Brilliant. Very scenic, even though in the winter, still scenic. Maybe a Scotch egg, keep the protein up. I'll keep the protein up all this walking.
The wind gives me a thrill,